been attending ITC since 1993. I think it's a great place to meet customers and help support the flight test community.
The International Telemetry Conference is a venue that brings together private industry and government. As a member of private industry, one of the reasons we come to the International Telemetry Conference is to see some of the state-of-the-art sensors that are being developed in terms of telemetry.
This conference helps us out on getting on top of the state-of-the-art technologies for data collection.
I've really enjoyed attending the booths and talking to everyone about all of the different technologies and options there are.
This is our 54th annual International Telemetering Conference. We're here in Glendale, Arizona this year. Our conference consists of 3.5 days filled with keynote speakers, special sessions, technical sessions. We have 2 exhibit halls filled with over 100 exhibitors in the telemetry field. We have an awards luncheon. Our next conference will be held October 21st through 24th in Las Vegas. Please look us up at www.telemetry.org for more information.